Hi guys, this is Rich with Wild Wonderful Weekends. And as you can probably tell by this shot, I'm not in my home state of West Virginia. Like so many others from WV, I occasionally like to head south on the Hillbilly Highway for that section of the Atlantic coast affectionately nicknamed the Redneck Riviera. I'm about 14 miles south of Myrtle Beach in a small town called Murrells Inlet, South Carolina. And this is a bird's eye view of the marsh just before the sun breaks over the horizon. It's only my third time here, but it's definitely one of my favorite locations to visit for all that it has to offer and because it's still reasonably close to home. I'm not going to attempt to cover everything there is to do here. Instead, I'm going to focus on the things that make this a great destination for anyone who enjoys natural beauty, great seafood, plenty of things to do outdoors, and a friendly, laid-back atmosphere. The pride of Murrells Inlet is the Marshwalk, a half-mile wooden boardwalk that runs along the natural saltwater estuary. The area's best restaurants are located here, and they offer everything from burgers and fries to prepared-to-order fresh seafood and steaks. There's plenty of waterfront dining so you can take in the incredible views, listen to live music, and feel the ocean breeze. It's definitely a cool vibe. Murrells Inlet is the self-proclaimed seafood capital of South Carolina, and I believe it lives up to that title. I haven't tried every restaurant here yet, but the ones I have tried have been amazing. My current favorite is probably the Claw House, or maybe Dead Dog Saloon. But dining isn't the only thing to do on the Marshwalk. You can rent just about every type of watercraft, including stand-up paddle boards, kayaks, jet skis, pontoon boats, and fishing boats. You can also parasail, ride a banana boat, sign up for guided kayak and jet ski tours, or take a dinner and dolphin watching cruise. If you charter a fishing boat, they fillet your catch for you right on the dock. Bottom line, there's a lot to see and do at Marshwall. Whenever I'm on vacation, I like to get up early and watch the sunrise at least once. The pier at Marshwalk is perfect for this. And so is Huntington Beach State Park, which is just a short 3 to 5 minute drive south from the Marshwalk. This park has several scenic walking and bicycling trails and attracts a lot of wildlife photographers. My favorite thing about this park, though, is the beach. There are two beaches actually, North Beach and South Beach, which is dog friendly. The water is green and clear and the sand is clean and soft. It gets a little crowded during peak season, but not nearly as crowded as the public beaches like Myrtle. There's a historic landmark at this park that you can tour also, called Avalon Castle. I'm a little early today, so it isn't open yet, but I've toured it before and it's definitely worth the small fee. The park has a gift shop, playgrounds, several picnic tables and shelters, a nature center, and most of the trails have wildlife observation areas. There's plenty of wildlife to see too. The ground is crawling with crabs, and the birds don't waste the opportunity. I've seen alligators in the park before too, but not today. If you really want to be close to the natural beauty of the area, you can spend some time at the Huntington Beach State Park Campground. There are several campsites for campers with hookups, as well as primitive tent sites. Most of the campsites are well shaded and feel private because of the dense plant life. There are trails leading to the beach, and the all-important shower facility. If you're looking for a place that has it all, including great dining, lots of entertainment, tons of outdoor activities, and beautiful beaches, it's hard to beat the Getaway to Murrells Inlet. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoy these videos, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Take care.